What's up, guys? This is the first video that I'm making doing the Volvo rally stage car build. So here she is in all her glory. Conditions aren't the best, but hey, you know what? We make it work. Got the cage made, got finished up about a month ago by Thompson Racing Fabrication. Did a great job on that. It was something I was going to try to do myself, but knew I was going to be in way over my head. And it's better just to have something you don't have to worry about. This is the first video that I'm making of this. I want to start kind of documenting the build as it goes. Long-term goal for me is to race this in the Lake Superior Performance Rally this summer, or fall I should say. It is, end of February right now. So, got a little bit of work to do. Right now, working on patching up the holes they cut in to put the cage. I've got these done. Don't look too close at them because these are the first time I've ever welded. So, nothing a flat disc can't fix. After I had done with that, I am going to work on cutting out the supports for the sunroof here and trying to match that all up and weld it in. I'm going to work on shooting video of that and kind of just document the build as it goes. Alright, well, got the sunroof mostly disassembled here. Just trying to figure out how I am going to mount this thing in here. Got done cleaning up these welds a little bit. They're looking better, nothing some Bondo can't take care of. But now I'm just not sure what we're going to do here. I guess I will work on continuing to disassemble this. Try to shed as much weight as I can. It's actually a lot heavier than I had anticipated. It's pretty stout. There's multiple layers of metal here. What's up, guys? Last time I was working on this, I was hoping to have it painted in a month. It's been a month, and it looks the exact same. Life gets in the way, but what I'm going to be working on today is getting ready to weld in the sunroof patch. So, earlier I was working on dismantling the sunroof mechanism. I was going to reuse the panel that actually was the sunroof. Found out it's made out of aluminum. Go Volvo. I guess they're going for some lightweight, rust resistance. Who knows? But not going to be able to weld that in. So what I'm going to be working on is there's a lip all the way along here where it's spot welded together, and then there's a subframe kind of going on. Yeah, you can kind of see it in the light. That I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to deal with it. Part of me wants to keep it just a little bit more rigidity in the roof. Not that it really needs it, as the cage is there, obviously. But I'm going to start grinding this lip down so I can get my sheet metal clamps on there and kind of play it by ear and see what happens. Probably just get rid of the trim. I mean, it's not a whole lot of weight, but it's still weight. And this pig needs to lose as much weight as it can. So, alright, yeah. What's up, guys? It's a little bit while later, about a month later. Finally got the frame cut out from around the sunroof, and now have marked the new piece of sheet metal. I'm going to get that cut and get ready to weld it in. All right. Finally got the patch cut. Kind of didn't film that because I forgot, but this is where I'm at right now. So got the trim cut out, had to go in and finish grinding out the little rolled edge here so I can get the clamps clamped down flush. Haven't really had to trim it out much so far. Got really lucky, and it's so far fitting up pretty well. So what I'm doing is working my way around, starting on this side. So I got a clamp on each side right here to keep it side to side lined up. And now I'm going to just work my way around and clamp, you know, probably every 4 to 6 inches. I should have enough clamps to do that. Make sure it's all fit, snugged up, good to go, and then weld it up tonight when the family goes to bed. All right. Alright, so it's later that night. Got all of the clamps in, more or less. Don't know how much it's going to show up on camera, but the roof is obviously pretty out of true. At this point, I'm kind of going with, I'm just going to start welding it. Try to bring it back out after it's done. I mean, realistically, it's probably only a matter of time before this thing ends up on its roof anyway. So, I just want to get it watertight and get it so I can get this thing painted, because next project is going to be that guy right there. So, alright, here we go. I would just like to point out that we have very confident deer here. I am outside welding, lights on, radio playing. I can hear him moving around out there. Hopefully finally getting the metal work done on this car, at least welded in. At this point, the roof patch is horribly warped, but it is welded in place. Just need to do a little bit of grinding. going to deal with trying to straighten that out later. I just want to get all the metal onto this car. I got a little ahead of myself, and I cut this piece out right here. This is the actual subframe, and the rot, obviously, you can see continues right through here. I started cutting this. I was initially going to cut this entire panel out, cut a piece to fit, massage it in there, weld it into place. I've had plenty of time to think about this, and I think I'm just making way more work for myself than is necessary. I'm just going to do a little cardboard design, figure out what shape I want it to be, cut the piece, press it down, weld it in place, and be done with it. It's pretty heavy stuff. This is the panel that I actually cut out because I didn't want to deal with trying to get around that hump. If I'm going to be patching the whole thing anyway, the rust actually was starting to come up into here. So I was like, well, you know what? I got to do this part anyway. Why not just take the whole thing out, make it easy? So that's where I'm at. I'm going to take some, do a little bit more grinding, get some cardboard, figure out my shape, and hopefully get this thing in today. Finishes up this video. Moving on from here, I'm going to work on cleaning up all my terrible welds, grinding down what I have to.
reshaping that roof a little bit, getting some of those warpage out. I've got to disassemble all the doors, cuts a little bit of weight there, and all sorts of fun stuff. So stay tuned.